Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Gaurav and in this video series we are going to discuss about array. In this video we are going to discuss about what is an array, and in later videos we are going to discuss how to access elements in array capacity versus length, and then we will write a program for each problem given by lead code related to arrays. So what is an array? An array is a collection of items. The items could be integers, string, games, books, anything really. The items are stored in continuous memory location. Because they are stored together, checking through the entire collection of items is straightforward. Now let's see how we can write the integers. Declare array integers. We will type the integer data type, say int. Then we write the open and close braces. Write the variable name is equal to new data type and the amount, the size of the array we are trying to create. On a computer, array can hold up to n items. The value of n is decided by you, the programmers, at the time you create the array. There is a similar example for a string array. We are writing the string, open and close braces, variable names is equal to new data type string, size of the array. Similarly, we can create the array of the custom classes. We create the custom class called student, which have the string name and the ID integer. We can write student, open and close braces, students is equal to new student and the size of the array 5. Let's understand the array with the real-time example. Suppose you had a bunch of DVDs at home that you wanted to arrange neatly. What would be the ideal choice for storing such a thing? You could find a cardboard box or some type of other box big enough to arrange all of the DVDs neatly, right? It is as simple as that. However, you might want to add a new DVD to the box, or you might want to get rid of the old ones that you have watched a million times over in the past. An important consideration for this box would be that you would only place DVDs in it and nothing else. You wouldn't place your clothes in it, for example. The box would contain multiple items, but all of them would be the same type. In this case, that type is DVD. So let's understand by the example. I have write the class called DVD, which contained the string name, integer release year, and the director. We take the constructor where passing these arguments called name, release year, and director. And there's a one more method called toString, which return the name, then the director name, and the released year. Now, if I want to create an array of the DVD, how could we proceed this further? In the program, if we go here, we will write DVD array, DVD say collection, this is a variable name, is equal to new DVD, I would say 15. After running this code, we now have an array called DVD collection with 15 places in it. Each place can hold one DVD. At the start, there are no DVDs in the array. We will have to actually put them in. The array can hold up to 15 DVDs. If we get the 16 DVD, we will need to make a new array. We will look at how we deal running out of space in the next chapter. Before we move on to actually putting some DVDs into the array, though, one thing you might be wondering is why we have to make an array only 15 places. Why not just make it 100,000 DVDs so that we know for sure we will always have enough space? Well, the reason is the same as it for the physical box of the DVDs. Do you really want to find a box that could hold 100,000 DVDs when you currently only have 15 DVDs and in fact never expect to own more than 100 of them? Is it even worth to getting a box that could hold 100 DVDs right now when you only expect to get a few new ones each year? And it will take up to a lot of more space in your home in the meanwhile. It is exactly the same with the array, where the space in your home is analogous to memory to the computer. If you make an array with 100,000 spaces, the computer will reserve memory to hold 100,000 DVDs, even if you only put 15 DVDs into it. That memory cannot be used for anything else in the meantime, just like the space in your house that has been taken over by the huge cardboard box. I hope you have better understanding now related to array. In the next video, we will going to discuss about how to access the elements in the array and how we are going to discuss about capacity versus length. See you in the next video.
If you enjoyed the video, please do like the video and share with your friends. For more interesting videos, please do subscribe the channel.